认这一点的话呢，就变成你要承认到说，你既是从小时候来，也非是从小时候来。
这几个人是。
这是一样的。
对，用我去看两百亿呢？用我这样，我那样买，我那买把是两百亿呢？但你搞了差多，搞的是呢，我那一把的买把，这个的点把么多我去看嘞，是吧？因为当然用我去看嘞的，大把他了，录多啊。他用现的，我那一把样买把买是老红的，切不他录多。
所以说呢，如果你承认是非我，但是又非我的话，那么如果你认为是有一个来，那你就落入到常见。那如果说你认为说没有一个我能够来的话，那就变成是断见。
But in general perception, in the common sense, what we say, oh, I saw this table yesterday.
但其实基本上我们一个共同的基本感知是什么呢？你会想说，我昨天看到了这张桌子
Right?
是不是？
I saw this table yesterday.
我看到这张桌子了，昨天。
But actually, you haven't seen this table yesterday.
但事实上，你并没有见到这个昨天的桌子。
Because yesterday table is impermanent.
因为昨天的桌子呢是无常的。
对不对？ Do you understand impermanent?
各位了解无常吗？
It's changing.
它就是一个改变。
The example of impermanent is like river.
一个无常的例子呢，就好像是这个河流。
There's a river, yeah?
有河流在这儿，假设。
But that river, when you look from far away, looks like it stays same place.
当你从远处看着这个河流的时候，你觉得它是静止不动的。
Not moving.
它没有在动。
But when you go close to river and look at very closely, river is moving.
但当你接近到这个河边的时候，于是你看到河水是在流动的。
That's why you cannot cross one river twice.
你不能经过同一个这个水流呢，在两次的过河的情况下，经过同一个水流。
对不对？ Why?
为什么？
Right. You can cross the river, but second time when you cross back, the first water is already gone.
于是你可以过河，但是当你又再回过头来的时候呢，那前面你过河的那个水已经过去了。
That's why everything is changing.
所以一切的事物都是在改变着。
That's why the table is changing.
于是这个桌子也是改变着。
This why the table become getting old.
因此呢，这个桌子慢慢在变老。
Why is changing?
为什么呢？因为是改变的。
Your body also changing.
你的身体也是在改变着。
That's why you are getting old.
所以你会变老。
The whole world also changing.
这个整个世界也在改变着。
That's why you're getting old.
因此也在变老。
Whole universe
整个宇宙
changing.
在改变。
That's why it's getting old.
也在变老。
That's why there's a beginning, there's end.
所以有一个开始，有一个终结。
If there's a beginning,
如果呢有一个开始，
then it will have end.
于是它就必定会要有终结。
It never stays one place forever.
那么它绝对不会呢永远的停在某一点上。
So it's always change.
它是一直在改变着。
Minute by minute.
它是分秒在变着。
Every day getting close to the end.
每一天它都在接近那个终结点。
Isn't it?
是不是呢？
For example,
再比如说，
we're going to die, yeah?
我们会要死。
Every day we are getting close to die.
我们每一天都在接近死亡。
Similar like that.
就像类似这样。
You cannot stay one place more than 1 second.
你不可能停在一个时间点上超过1秒的。
No matter how you try.
无论你如何的去尝试。
It's changing. And that is the impermanent.
所以这种改变就是无常。
Okay. Then second wrong perception is singularity.
那么第二种我们错误的感知呢，也就是个体。
I will ask you a question.
我问各位一个问题。
How many Mingyur Rinpoche giving teaching here?
有多少个明就仁波切在这里上课？
How many?
有多少个？
Well, you can say whatever you want. Don't be afraid.
所以你不用害怕，你们可以想到什么就说什么。
This is a very easy question, yeah?
这其实是一个很容易的问题，不是吗？
Very easy.
非常容易的问题。
Oh, somebody saying something? No?
好像有些人回答了吗？
I think children also going to give answer.
我想那小朋友也要给答案了。
You are adult.
你们都是成年人了，
I think you know you know this answer.
我想你们应该知道这个答案的。
How many? Only one, yeah?
一个，
Are you agree?
大家都同意吗？
Okay, there's a one Mingyur Rinpoche giving teaching, yeah, of course.
所以当然在这里只有一个明就仁波切在教学。
Otherwise, if I have 2 or 3, then it's very good for me.
如果说我真的能够有2个、3个的话，那么对我来说就很方便。
One give teaching here,
一个在这里上课，
one give teaching to some other place, Europe or somewhere.
一个还可以到欧美去上课，
Then I don't have to be very busy, yeah?
那我就不用那么忙碌了。
Then one has sleep.
有一个还可以去睡觉，
And one go to Cham Cham.
还有一个可以到处去玩，
And one go to the cave in the mountain to retreat.
还有一个可以到山上的山洞里去禅修闭关。
But I don't have many.
但因为我没有很多个，
I have one here.
我只有一个在这里，
That's why a big problem.
因此就是有很大的问题。
Yeah? Agree?
是，那各位都同意吗？
Yeah, but that is what we call perception of singularity.
我们称这就要做一种个体的感知，
A one Mingyur Rinpoche here.
我们会认为只有一个明就仁波切在这里，
But actually there's not one Mingyur Rinpoche.
但其实并没有所谓的一个明就仁波切在，
You cannot find the one Mingyur Rinpoche.
你没有办法找到这个一个明就仁波切
Where?
在哪里。
Where is one Mingyur Rinpoche?
哪里是那一个人明就仁波切呢？
Some people say like this.
有些人就用手比着说在那里，
Okay, chest.
那么比到了我的胸口，
I think they do like this, okay?
那还有些人往上比，
Okay, up, maybe a little bit up.
那也许有点朝上的方向。
Nose.
哦，是鼻子。
Is my nose is Mingyur Rinpoche?
那么我的鼻子是明就仁波切吗？
不是呀，对不对？ I have many different parts.
我有各个不同的部分，
Head,
有头、
arm,
手，
inside organs,
还有内在的五脏六腑，
consciousness.
还有我们各种的意识。
All this put together,
当这全部组合一起，
then you gave name Mingyur Rinpoche.
然后我们给一个名字叫做明就仁波切，
One Mingyur Rinpoche.
有一个明就仁波切。
But actually, there's no one.
但事实上没有那一个存在。
Okay, now third one.
那现在在第三个了。
Don't be afraid to give answer, okay?
不要害怕给回答答案。
I will ask you a question.
我还要问你们问题。
The question is,
这个问题就是。
where is Minju Rinpoche?
明就仁波切在哪里？
Minju Rinpoche's arm is Minju Rinpoche or not?
明就仁波切的手是明就仁波切吗？
不是，对不对？ Minju Rinpoche's arm.
我们说这是明就仁波切的手。
You think also, this is my arm.
你也会想说，哦，这是我的手。
You don't think this is me, yeah?
你不会想这是我。
My head.
你说我的头。
But you don't say this is me.
你也不会说这就是我。
My arms.
我的手。
My legs.
我的脚。
My heart.
我的心。
My mind.
我的意。
But you don't say me.
你不会说这是我。
You're coming.
你来了。
Okay, then where is me?
但是我在哪里呢？
Thinking that in your mind, me is something else than this physical body and the mind.
因为在你的心里呢，你会想到，当你想到我的时候呢，其实是独立于你全身的各个部分之外有一个我存在。
Not really depending this physical body.
那个我呢，并不取决于在你整个这个身体。
My arms, my legs, my stomach, my mind, my body.
我的身体。
Then where is me?
但是我在哪里呢？
Your body is not you.
你的身体不是你，
Your mind is not you.
你的心也不是你。
Then where is mind?
那我在哪里呢？
That's why in your mind, thinking that me is something else, like independent.
所以在你的心中，你想到我的时候呢，那个我，它是一个完全独立之外的一个我。
The me is, you is not independent.
可是你呢，却并不是独立的，
It's interdependent.
是因缘和合的，是缘起的。
What is interdependent?
那什么是一种这个因缘缘起的呢？
You have to depend on physical body and mind.
因为你需要呢，依靠着你的身体跟你的心。
There's organs, brain,
那这也是有这个内脏，还有我们的脑子，
flesh, blood,
还有我们的这个血肉，
consciousness.
还有意识。
So all this become together, then there's you.
当这些全部组合在一起的时候，才成为你。
But we don't think that.
但我们却并不会这么想。
对不对? And now you recognize these three wrong perception, yeah?
所以各位，我们现在都认识到了这三种错误的感知了。
Your arm, if Minju Rinpoche's arm is Minju Rinpoche, and legs are Minju Rinpoche, head are Minju Rinpoche, then there's many Minju Rinpoche.
然后如果说这个手是明就仁波切，脚又是明就仁波切，头也是明就仁波切的话，那么就有很多个明就仁波切存在了。
One Minju Rinpoche here,
一个明就仁波切在这儿，
one Minju Rinpoche here.
一个在这儿，
But that's impossible.
但是是不可能的。
对不对? Then each thumb is Minju Rinpoche.
所以每一个指头都变成是一个明就仁波切。
5 already here.
大概在这里就有5个明就仁波切。
And I have we had also experiment last time here, yeah?
我这是在我们上一次呢，我们也对这个有讲过。
Do you like to have experiment again?
各位还想要我再解释一遍吗？
Okay, wait a minute.
请等一下。
See, these arms and thumbs are Mingyur Rinpoche or not?
所以我们来看看这些手指是不是明就仁波切。
You know, no?
你们好像知道了。
Can you see Mingyur Rinpoche now?
那你们现在可以看到明就仁波切了吗？
Maybe like this. Oh, keep on teaching.
也许就像这样在给大家上课吧。
Maybe I make better, okay?
现在还要再把它弄得好一点。
Maybe now become Mingyur Rinpoche?
现在它变成真的明就仁波切了。
Oh, the eyes are become crooked.
眼睛画歪了。
Okay. This is why according to Bhayabhashika said,
所以因此，在有部他们认为，
the what we call me is not really existing
所谓的我，它并不是真实的存在的。
because you can break into parts.
这个，因为你可以把它分成各个不同的部分。
This is why the arm is not you,
于是我们说，手背不是你，
the body is not you.
身体不是你。
Maybe you can say the arm is not me, but part of me.
那也许你可以说，手不是我，但是是我的一部分。
This is the arm. Arm is here.
你觉得这是手臂，手臂是在这里的。
Then you can ask some question. Where is arm?
但你同样可以再问一个问题是：那手臂又在哪里呢？
There's many parts here.
这个整只手臂也有各种不同的部分。
Elbow,
比如说这边有关节，
top of the arm, the middle part of arm, the top of, I think top is here. Bottom of arm, top of arm, middle of arm, many things. His skin,
上臂、下臂，还有手肘，还有整个皮，
bones,
还有骨头，
and these are not arms.
这些都不是手臂，
And each finger is not arm.
或者每一个手指头也不是手臂。
But it's all together you call arm.
但当它全部组合一起的时候，你称它叫做手臂。
So according to Bhayabhashika said, arm is not real again.
而有部呢，他们同样认为手臂也不是真实存在的。
Okay, then you can say, okay, there's not arm. Arm is not real, but still I have the, what do you call, a hand.
那你也可以继续说，好，那么这不是手臂，手臂不是真的，但是我仍然有手啊。
Then where is the arm?
于是再问下去，手在哪里呢？
There's 5 fingers,
有5个手指头，
front and back,
还有手掌、手背，
but this each is arm,
但它每一个呢都是手。
and I have 7 arms,
那我就会有7个手了。
but none of them is not arm.
但因为每一个都不是手，
It's part of, not arm, a hand. I mean, none of them is not hand. It's a part of hand.
所以它们是手的每个部分。
And this is why the hand is relative,
所以手呢就变成是世俗地，
not real, because you can able to break, yeah?
它并不是真的，是因为你能够继续的去分解它。
Okay. Then now you can say there's a thumb.
于是你可以说，那还剩下有大拇指。
But there's not hand, but there's thumb.
没有手，但是却有拇指。
But then where's thumb?
那于是又在问拇指在哪里呢？
There's many part, bottom part, top, bottom part, middle, and skin, bone, many things.
但它还是有很多部分，有前面、后面、上面、下面，还有骨头跟皮组成的。
Still, you can able to break part.
你仍然可以再去分解它。
Each one is not thumb.
每一个部分都不是大拇指。
That's why the thumb is belong to relative
是
reality.
大拇指又属于了世俗谛。
Then if you go into the top of thumb,
如果说呢，你再去看到每一个那个大拇指的尖那里，
then you reach atom.
然后你到最小的，你达到了原子。
The atom is also relative.
反而他们认为原子呢，都还是属于世俗谛的。
Why? Because atom has subatomic particle.
因为呢，那个原子呢，还有各种次原子的部分，
Many things together.
它还是很多东西组成起来的。
Like electron,
比如说像有电子、
electron, proton, neutron, many things.
质子、地子、中子，
Many things together.
它是很多东西组合起来的。
That's why still you can able to break.
所以你仍然可以去分解它。
And then that's why the atom is not singularity.
所以原子呢，它也不是独立的，
Yeah, it's not singularity because there's many subatomic particle. Yeah,
因为它是由很多部分所组成，所以它并不是一个独立的。
and atom is not permanent.
那它也不是长的，
It's changing,
因为它也在改变着。
changing a lot. And they are very circling,
然后它是一直在这个转动的、运动的。
like solar system.
那好像整个这个太阳系，
And not independent.
它不是这个，它也不是个体的。
In order to become atom, you need different parts all together.
因为为了要成为一个原子，你就必须要有各种的部分去组合成。
That's why Vaibhashika said, atom is impermanent, singularity, and interdependent.
所以呢，
Meda tuma shiwanjanes.
所以说他们认为说原子呢，它也是无常的，是依缘起的，而且它不是个体的。
Then you can go into subatomic particle.
于是你再去到里面的次原子里面去看，
You can go more, make smaller and smaller and smaller.
你越往下微小的再去分析去看的时候，
Or invisible atom.
或者是说
Invisible 온도 줄무트비 둘.
所以它就是说无法显现、无法见到的这个原子微尘，
It's almost like light.
它基本上就好像是光一样的。
The scientists you call light, yeah.
因为科学家们称之到这里是光，
There's no part.
因为它没有任何的部分。
And Vaibhashika said that is absolute reality.
但是有过他们认为到这里呢，这一些就叫做圣义谛了。
And that is the nature of form.
那即是一切现象的本质。
But still there is impermanent,
但其实那里仍然是无常的，
not permanent.
它并不是常的。
Impermanent, but is you cannot break it down.
虽然是无常的，但你已经不能够再去分解它了。
Up to until the partless particle, everything's belong to relative reality.
所以到了这个无分为成这个部分之后呢，一切就是之前呢都是世俗谛的。
Okay. Why? Because they cannot go beyond this partless particle.
为什么呢？因为他们没有办法超越到这个无分为成。
They have fear.
因为他们有恐惧。
If you go beyond the partless particle,
如果你已经超越到了那无分为成的话
then they thought you will fall into nihilism.
那认为说我们就会落入到了断见里面。
Then there's no karma.
于是你会认为没有业力。
Then everything becomes nothing.
一切都变成什么都没有。
Then what's the point?
那在这里又有什么意义呢？
And this is why they thought we need the partless particle.
所以他们认为说，我们至少还需要这个呢无分为成，也就是没有部分的这个最小单位。
Because this is basis of everything.
因为这是一切事物的它们的基础。
Do you understand?
各位到这里都明白吗？
Okay. Now, I'd like to combine this view together with science.
所以我现在想要把这个鉴定呢跟科学的研究来配合着讲。
I'm not scientist,
我不是科学家，
but I like to try to repeat scientist words.
但我很喜欢去用一些科学的名词说法。
I'm not Buddha,
我不是佛，
but I like to repeat Buddha's words.
可是呢，我却很喜欢去讲佛所说的这些话语。
That's why I'm giving you teaching.
所以我会在这里呢给各位教学。
And I'm not scientist,
然后我不是科学家，
but repeat scientist words.
但是我重复着科学家们的这些话。
Fake scientist.
所以我是个假科学家。
Of course, fake Buddha.
当然也是个假佛，
Of course.
这是当然的。
But that is only the relative level.
但这都是在世俗的层次上来说的。
According to according to absolute reality, we all Buddha, yeah?
但是在圣义地上来说，我们都是佛。
Okay, according to science.
那么现在从科学的角度来说，
Many years before, maybe more than 65 or 70 years ago, they believed the atom is permanent and singularity.
所以很多年前，大概是65到67年前吧，那是科学家们他们相信原子呢它是恒常的，而且它是独立个体的。
And the atom is the smallest particle.
原子它已经是一个最小的部分、最小的元素了。
And they thought if they understand atom, and then they think they can measure whole universe.
所以如果说他们认为了解了原子的话，那么你就可以呢把它运用到整个宇宙上来。
And they are more like looking to the big scales of phenomena like solar system and galaxy, sun and moon, those things.
所以他们在学研究去找更多其他的，比如说像太阳系、银河系或太阳跟月亮。
They thought if you know the speed of the object, speed, and velocity. Velocity means direction and the position.
所以他们于是呢还要再去研究一些事物，它们的这个速度，还有它们的这个方向以及位置。
Then they thought you can follow to history of the universe.
于是你就可以追溯到整个宇宙的历史。
And you can predict the future universe.
然后你还可以呢去创造一个未来的宇宙。
Everything perfect. everything perfect.
然后一切都可以变得很完美。
But after 60 years later, what they found when they look at the atom is also not permanent and singularity.
所以，但是60年之后，当他们在研究原子时，发现它并不是长的，也并不是独立个体的。
They found subatomic particles.
因为他们呢又发现更多的这个里面有次原子。
And subatomic particles are moving very quick.
而这些次